family improv.
Had the wrong family up there.
All right, Chris, come on up here.
Woo!
Hey. All right, and let's get Mike. Come on back up here with you. All right, and we're going to need a volunteer from the audience. This is a game called Sound Effects, so you don't even have to say any words. All you have to do is say some, make some sounds for us when we need them. Family sounds, please. Yeah. And sir, your name?
Alan.
Alan, thank you very much for volunteering. All right, so what's going to happen is during this scene, we're going to call out for some sounds, and so you all will be providing them for us. Kind of like if you hear something like this.
Is that, do I hear an ambulance coming?
Into the microphone there. We'll make that judgment call. It's a cat ambulance, that's right. All right, good. Good, so just provide, and you know, if it gets a little slow out here and we look like we're dying, which happens, just throw some sounds out and we'll take those and use them, okay? So let's get a location. Where are we?
On a farm.
On a farm. There we go. What's our relationship?
Terrible.
Terrible.
Terrible farm hands.
Terrible farm hands. Okay, I like that. Good.
In New York on a tour.
All right.
From
We're on
New
the farm.
York.
We're terrible farm hands. All right, here we go with sound effects.
What's that?
You know, I think they call that a cow. Of course, you know they've been doing some genetic altering. This kind of cow and a pig together.
Oh, no. Wow. That's what. All right, so they're both making noises. Which one's the cow? The real tiny one or the big one?
Well, it depends on which head you're looking at, all right? So, you know, they kind of melded together. Let's get some,
Get the tools.
yeah.
They're over there.
Did you see that? It was actually counting with its foot. Yeah, really smart. Yeah, big cow. All right, here. Here you go.
What is this? It says cattle prod. I wonder what that's
Oh, here, let's see.
Yeah.
There's a switch on the end of it.
All right, turn that.
Let me see if it turns on. Well, wait.
That may have been his label.
Let me turn this one off.
Remember, this is a family show.
Here, this one also says cattle prod. Let's see
All
if
right,
we can
try
get this
that.
one to work.
Here, let me. That's one of those Hondo heavy duty kind of guys.
Reminds me an awful lot of a chainsaw. We are terrible farm hands, you know.
I think you should get that chainsaw out.
All right, here's the chainsaw, because we need to cut down some of them bushes around the pig cow thing.
And when we're done with that, I think we should just go ahead and give him a haircut.
All right, so here, let's start this up.
Oh, that's good. That's good. All right. Good, good, good. Yeah. Take that back. You don't look like you know what you're doing there. I think you got to turn it on also. There you go. Yeah. Get that fired up. That pig cow or something, he was very upset while you were cutting that bush down.
I saw that, yeah.
You know
Oh,
what?
here, I'm going to turn this off.
That's good. Let me put that back away. I really want to try and use this cattle prod here.
Was this the other cattle prod?
Yeah, this is cattle prod number 3.
Yeah.
Let's give this one a...
I'm real excited to see what this one looks like.
Here we go. As I recall, we're not...
Here's the dog. They get along, right? Yeah.
All right.
if I can get that cat too. Got the cat.
That's cool.
Here, you hold on to that.
Wow.
Hey,
I think it's dead. It's really
Jimmy,
quiet.
Jimmy, hey, there's chickens over there.
Cat, chicken, cat, chicken. This should be good.
That's right.
Here we go.
Throw it over there.
Yeah, that's good. This is really good.
You know, I watch a lot of the Discovery Channel, and I don't ever remember seeing that.
Wow. I didn't even know chickens could do that. Wow. All right.
I got one for you.
All right, thank you. All right. They said earlier that we're going to have to catch and kill our own food.
I'm waiting. Go ahead. Go ahead and finish it off.
All right, here we go. I don't even know what to do with this. This is a family show. I think we should
Here.
let it go. There's a third sound effects guy.
Yep.
I need a cold one.
It's an echo in here. Watch this. Wow. I can do that with my mouth closed.
All right, you can have another one.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Here we go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's always this exciting part. You know, I saw this on TV. You take this and you slam it up against your forehead, and it squishes it, and it doesn't hurt.
I don't think I get that channel.